Okay, in this video I want to show you an easier way that Deere has developed to get rid of farms and fields with no data attached to them or no boundaries. So to do that, you will go to Setup tab and then go to Land. And then once we get in the Land tab, Deere has made some new filters available to easily get rid of any fields that don't have any data or boundaries attached to them. So if I go to my filter option here, I check no boundaries, and then I scroll down here and check mark no work, and then I hit done. As you can see, there's one field in this account that has no boundaries or no work attached to it, so there's no reason for me to keep that in my account. So if I wanted to, I could check mark it and go ahead and archive it. Essentially that gets it out of my list for me, and then I could go even further and go ahead and delete that if I wanted to. But if you're unsure from that point, at least archive it, get it out of your farm field tree list to help clean that up. I helped a larger grower here a couple weeks ago, and when we did this for them, it got rid of about 300 fields at one time for them. Really cleaned up that list back on their Maps tab under the field boundaries item. So just a quick way there in the future for you to help clean up your farm field tree.